Hey guys, hope you all well. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello. In this video, as you've seen already from the title, we're gonna be creating the party look, the New Year's Eve party look, or any type of party. Where I live, we have now like the strongest restrictions due to virus, so there's gonna be no party for me this New Year's Eve. I'm just gonna be with my husband zooming my relatives, so for sure I'm gonna be wearing makeup, like party makeup, cause why not, right? Will you be wearing makeup on this New Year's Eve to celebrate? Let me know in the comments down below, cause I'll be for sure, even if I'll be sitting with my PJs, I'll still do my makeup just to, you know, make myself feel better. Alright, so without any further ado, let's create this makeup look. By the way, ignore my rosacea. It's winter, so my skin is going like crazy because of wind and cold and so on. So yeah, suffer from rosacea if you don't notice it. Alright, so we're gonna start from prepping the eyelids. So I'm just gonna use the concealer by Makeup Revolution for that. I'll quickly set as a setting powder. Alright, so for this look, I decided to go with the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I'm taking a small dense brush. It's gonna be super easy look. And what I'm doing with this, I'm gonna go higher than my crease is, as I want this shade to be visible. And just going all over. Taking a fluffier brush, I'm just gonna blend this. I'm taking a smaller brush. This one is the eyeliner brush. Add a bit of concealer on that. I'm just gonna tidy up this red shadow. Don't worry if the cut crease line is not equal or anything, because we're gonna add some jewels later that kind of will camouflage that part. So next thing I'm doing, I'm just taking this golden shade. It's like a pressed shimmer. Use my finger for it. I'm going with this shade all over my mobile lid where we don't have any eyeshadow yet underneath. So I'm starting closer to my lash line, and I'm gonna blend this up. Let's apply the eyeliner and then we can do the jewels part. So what I'm doing next, I'm gonna go with a little bit of graphic eyeliner. Totally skippable this part. Taking these diamantes, I have this for a long time. It's basically made for the nail art, so I've been using these a lot. So I'm gonna use the red ones, as I think this matches the makeup look, and the lash glue, and I'm gonna go with that on this crease part that we did. So now I just need the glue to dry so we can see how it looks. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the falsies. I'm going to go for the magnetic ones, for the EYELURE Pro Magnetic. So it's the magnetic eyeliner and the magnetic lashes. So the eyeliner needs to be applied 3 times. I'm going to go on the top of the eyeliner. I have just a thin line close to the lash line when I want the lashes to be. I'm going to let it dry and then apply another 2 times because it needs to be like a thicker layer so lashes can stick on. So in the meantime, we can do the face. For my primer, I'm going to use a blur stick by Evolution Pro. For the foundation, I'm going with my current favorite, NYX Skin Solvent Stop in Natural. Let's set this up. I'm gonna use the same setting powder. Before contouring, I'm gonna go with another layer of the eyeliner. For contour, I'm using Revolution Pro Crystal Luxe Palette in Rose Fresco. Okay, let's do that third layer of the liner. Let's do a lower lash line while the liner is drying before applying the falsies. I'm just taking a small dense brush and the shade in here, I'm gonna go all over lower lash line. Alright, just a bit of mascara and we can go with falsies and then a lipstick and we're done. So I'm using the Worth of Head Mascara by NYX. Just a tiny bit. Alright, let's go with falsies. Voila, one lash is up. Okay, a bit of mascara on the lower lash line and then we can do lips and we're done. For my lipstick today, I decided to go with Urban Decay White Lipstick in the color Bad Blood. First, I'm gonna use the lip liner. This one is Urban Decay as well, and it's a Glide On Lip Pencil 24/7 in Bad Blood as well. And our look is complete. What do you guys think? I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, you found this helpful, you like this makeup look that I created. Leave a comment down below, let me know, and if you're gonna go and recreate this look, please tag me in your pictures, as I would absolutely love to see that. Honestly guys, this makes me so happy when you tag me in your pictures and I see your recreations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Have an amazing day guys, ciao!